Good morning, my dear students. Welcome you all in today's maths class. My dear students, today we will know about the greater and the smaller number. We will do the comparison in between two numbers. So let's bring out your notebooks. Today's date is 27 4 2021 and day is Tuesday. Write the date and the day in your notebooks. First of all, see at the board and understand the topic. Comparing numbers. Okay, if we have two numbers for comparison, then always keep in mind, like we have two numbers 7 and 12. Always keep in mind that the two-digit number is always greater than one-digit number. Here 7 is only one-digit number and 12 is two digits number. So meaning, yes, 12 is greater than 7. So we can put that sign of comparison. And one more thing, if we have two-digit numbers like 22 and 18, if we have again two numbers for comparison and both are two digits number. So how we will compare the numbers? Always see at the number which is placed on tens place. Which number is placed on 10 place? Do the comparison of that number. Like 2 and 1. Ones, tens, ones, tens. So we will compare the number that is placed on tens place. So here the number 2 and 1 are here. So 2 is greater than 1. Yes, you all know the 2 number is greater than 1. So 22 is greater than 18. 22 is greater than 18. And one more thing, if we have again two numbers for comparison, 32 and 39. We have again two numbers for comparison. And the number which is placed, the digit which is placed on tens place, these both are same. So how we will do the comparison now? The both numbers that are placed on tens place, both are same. Then we will see the number that are placed on ones place. Means these two numbers 2 and 9. We will compare these two numbers now. Okay. So in between two numbers you can see which is greater. Yes, 2 or 9. कौन सा number greater है? Very good. 9 is greater than 2. So 32 is smaller number and 39 is greater number. Very good. So we will put the sign of comparison like this. Okay. Now again we will do the comparison of numbers. So here are the numbers 2, 12, 14, 18, 21, 12, 31, 30. So what we have to do now? Again we will do the comparison of numbers. Okay. First of all, the first sum here is the numbers 2 and 12. So which is greater? Number 2? No. Remember, मैम ने क्या बताया था? Two digit number is always greater than one digit number. So one digit number is smaller, 2 is smaller and 12 is greater. So we will put the sign of comparison like this. This is greater number. Now the sign is showing that 12 is greater number. Okay. 14 and 18. We have to see the number of 10 placed. So these numbers are same, these digits are same. So we will look at the ones placed numbers. Which numbers are placed on one side? We will compare these numbers now. So number 4 and 8 we have. Which number is greater than the other, 14 or 18? Yes, number 4 is smaller than number 8. So the number 18 is greater number. 21 and 12. So we will look after tens place digit first. So here we have two numbers 2 and 1. 2 and 1. Which is greater? Yes, 2 number is greater than 1. So 21 is greater from 12. In our next sum, you can see these both numbers are same. So now we will compare these two numbers 1 and 0. So 1 is greater because 0 is nothing. 0 means nothing. So 31 is greater than 30. Okay. Now look here. Ma'am will give you two digits 2 and 1. हमारे पास कौन से digits है 2? 2 and 1. And we have to make two digit numbers. We have the sign of comparison here and we have to make two numbers with these two digits. हमने इन two digits के साथ two numbers बनाने हैं 2 and 1. So which two numbers we can make with these two digits? 21 and 12. कौन से two numbers हम बना सकते हैं 2 and 1 के साथ? 21 and 12. So here we have the sign of comparison like this, means the greater number we have to write in this box and the smaller number we have to write in this box. So which is the greater and which is smaller from in these two numbers? Again we will write ones, tens here, ones and tens. Number 21 and number 12. We will see the numbers, the digits written on tens place, 2 and 1. So the greater number is 21. The greater number is 21 and 12 is smaller number. So according to this sign, we will write the smaller number here, 12, and the greater number on this side. Okay. Now we will do these kind of 2-3 sums again. Now we have two numbers 3 and 5 and again we have to make two digit numbers. The next sum is 4 and 0 and we have to write two digit numbers here and the sign is this. Sign of comparison is this. Okay, in first sum we have 3 and 5 two digits and we can make two numbers 35 and 53. So ones and tens. We have to see the digits placed on tens place. So according to this 3 and 5, the 5 is greater number. So we can say 53 is greater than 35. 35 is the smaller number. And as the comparison, sign of comparison is showing, we have to write, see, the greater number in this box and the smaller number in this box. So we will write 35 here and 53 in this box. Okay, understand? Okay, from these two digits we have to make again two digit number 4, 0, 40 and 0, 4 means 4 because 0 means nothing, 0 की कोई value नहीं है. So 0, 4 means 4 only and 4, 0, 40. So here 0, 4 is the smaller number and 40 is the greater number. According to the sign, we have to write greatest number in this box. So we will write 40 here and 0, 4 here. Okay, understand? Now my dear students, you all knows the greater and the smaller number. You can do the comparison in between the numbers. So now I will show you 4, 5, 32, 12. Show the numbers. Here we have 4 numbers now. 1, 2, 3, 4. So which is the greatest number? Which is the greatest number? अभी तक हमने क्या किया? Greater and smaller numbers. And now we will do the greatest and smallest numbers. We have to make a circle on greater number, circle on greater number and square on smallest number. Greatest and smallest number. So which is the greatest number from these all? Which is the greatest number? Greater number you all knows, comparison of two numbers. One is smaller and the other is greater. And if we have more than two numbers, then which number is bigger from all the numbers? That is greatest. And which is smallest in from all these? That is smallest number. जो इन 4 numbers में से सबसे बड़ा number है, which is that is called greatest number, and जो सबसे छोटा number है, that is called smallest number. So 4, 5, 32 and 12. First of all, we will see these two numbers are only one digit numbers. Okay, and these two are two digit numbers. So from these two, 4 and 5, which is smaller? Number 4 is smaller. 4, 5 में से कौन सा smaller है? 4 and 5 is greater than 4. So 4 is smallest number from this all. अब इन सब में से 4 number क्या है? Smallest. So we will make a square here. And now we have to find the greatest number. 5, 32 and 12. From these all, this number is only one digit number. So this is smallest number. So we will not see it. We will do the comparison from these two numbers. हम इन two numbers में से comparison करेंगे 12 and 32. And we have to see the number which is placed on tens place. So the 3 is greatest number. We will make a circle like this. 8, 4, 12, 9. Now which is the greatest number? Greatest number 8, 4 and 9. These all are only one digit numbers, and 12 is only the one number which is having two digit numbers. So this is greater number, and 8, 4 और 9 में से smallest number कौन सा है? Now find out the smallest number. 9, 8 and 4. The 4 is smallest number. So we will make a square here. Understand? Now you all knows about the greater, smaller and greatest and smallest numbers. Yes? Understand the topic? Very good. So now here we have 2, 8, 14, 3, 16. These numbers here, and we have to arrange them in ascending order. Ascending order. What is ascending order? To arrange the number from smallest to greatest. सबसे पहले smallest number, then उससे big वाला, then greater, greater and greatest number. To arrange the numbers from smallest to greatest is called ascending order. Now, as you all knows about the smallest and greatest number, you all can do easily the ascending orders. Yes. So, which is the smallest number? You can see here. Here we have 3 numbers. These are only 1 digit. So, first of all, we will find the smallest number from these 3. 2, 8 and 3. When we speak the counting 1, 2, 3, 4, which number comes first? From these 3. 2 comes first. So 2 is the smallest number. After then 3 and after then 8. Now we have two digit numbers 14 and 16. Both have the same tens placed number. And the other is 4 and 6. So 14 is smaller and 16 is greater. So we will write 14 here and after then 16. Now we have arranged the number from smallest to greatest. 2, 3, 8, 14 and 16. This is ascending order. Okay. Next sum is 4, 3, 9, 12, 0. Which is the smallest number? From these 5 numbers, we have to find the smallest number first. So, smallest number is 0. After then 3, 4. And from these 2 numbers, the 12 is smaller and 19 is the greatest number. So, we will write the 19 in last. So now you all have understand the ascending orders also. Yes. Like this. The descending orders. What is descending order? To arrange the numbers from greatest to smallest is called the descending order. 16, 4, 8, 2, 19, 0. Now here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 numbers and we have to arrange them from greatest to smallest. So which is the greatest number? Here we have 2 digit numbers. So from 16 and 19, the 19 is greatest. So we will write 19 first. And after then 16. Now here we have 4, 8, 2 and 0. Which is greater from these all? 4, 8, 2. So 8 is greater. After then 4, 2 and 0 is nothing. So 0 will be in the last. This is the smallest number. This is called descending order. To arrange the numbers from greatest to smallest is called descending order. 3, 8, 14, 1, 9 and 13. 14 is the greatest number from these all. After then 13. Now we have 1, 2, 3 and 4 smallest numbers. From these all, which is the greatest one? 3, 1, 8 and 9. In counting from 1 to 9, which comes in the last means which is the greatest number? Number 9. And before 9, 8 will be there. Now we have left only 3 and 1. 1 is smaller and 3 is greater. So we will write the greater one first and after that smallest number. This is also we have arranged in descending order from greatest to smallest. Now my dear students, I hope you all understand the topic of comparison in greater and smaller number and also understand the topic of ascending and descending. Yes, my dear students, now do this topic in your books. Bye bye. We will meet in our next video.